In this video, let's discuss the recent updates on the Blum ecosystem, and you need to perform this quest right now to get 999 Blum points. Not only that, I'm going to show you how to create your own meme token using the Blum Memepad. All of these in this very video. So pay attention and watch this video all the way to the very end. Please consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe right now, and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this one. Also check the channel for other crypto content. First thing first, if you come to the Blum community, you're going to see this very message, and if you start playing this game, you're going to get some of the token, but we're not concerned about the game right now. The most important thing is to get this 999 Blum points when you complete this very quest, and that is what I want us to do right now. And then I will dive right into creating your own meme token. I'm going to show you how to do that with a step-by-step guide. So if you come to this very area where you see N, that's the N section, you see this end, and there is a new quest right now, which is this very one, the Captain Rivals. And if you open this, so in my own area here, I'll open my mini app and go right here, and then I will just complete this task. Very simple task. So if I start this, and then it will take me to this page, I will join. Okay, so should in case they are tracking the Telegram user that I've joined, so that the task will be completed. So ensure you join. Most airdrop, I don't really join tags like this, but this one I have to join because sometimes it requires some few minutes for confirmation, and those confirmation will have to verify my Telegram username being in the or on the channel. And I will start this one as well. I will also join their X page. Now, when it comes to X page, I don't really need to follow their X page. I will just click on it, and then I will go back, and then I will click on this very one, which is the last one, and then I will start it. Okay, very simple. I will just start this, and then it will start running. Now, if you are interested in playing this very game, that is the Captain Rivals, I'm going to do a video on this. This is already active, so I can claim this, and then I can claim this very one. Why I am waiting for this very one to be active as well. So this is very important right now to claim 999 Blum points. So you can do it right now. The next thing I want to talk about in this video is the Blum Memepad. So if you come to the Memepad section, on the Memepad section here, you see this is the first of its kind, and the reason why I'm also betting hard on the Blum token is because this is the first ever token that is having utility when it comes to play to end game, and the utility is insane. Imagine people are now creating meme token using Telegram. As a developer, I can tell you there is a lot of tedious work when it comes to development without using this very Memepad. These have already simplified a lot of work for non-developers. So you don't need to hire a developer like myself to program or develop a token for you, but you can just go here and launch your token directly. And this is super simple. I'm going to guide you right now. MCAT is the first ever token on the Blum Memepad to get up to $1 million in market capitalization. It also means that this MCAT is getting a lot of traction. Not only that, the Blum Memepad is getting a lot of attention. And if you want to create your own meme token, this is the best place to do that. I can tell you for free. And the reason why is because it will cost you just a very few tons and you are done. So what we need to do right now is to go to the launch token. So if you click on the launch token section, the first thing you have to do is to choose an icon. So before then, the first thing to think about when you want to create your own meme token is to consider the name, and you design a logo. You must have a logo. So let's say, for example, in this case, I will just choose anything that I feel like using right now. But in your case, you must have to design a logo, because it's not just enough for you to create a meme token, okay, and just leave it like that. So I will use this as my logo, and then I will click on done. So in your case, you must design a good logo. So if I click on done right here and this will load, then the name of your token must be properly defined. So in this case, I will call it mtron. So I will give the full name, that is the name of my token, and then I will give a short abbreviation MTP, that is my abbreviation, and then here I will just give a summary of the token. I will just say mem token, and then after I have created all of this, I will go back again to check. So you look at here, my image, which is my logo, have uploaded. So in your case, like I said, you must get a good graphics designer to design a good logo for you, and then you choose the name, and then the sticker, which is the abbreviation of what the name of the token should be, and then the description. Keep it very, very simple. The next thing is to continue from here, and then if you continue from this very point, you see this very area is asking you to put a banner. This is optional. So if I don't have a banner, I don't need to worry about that. And then you have to add your channels, that is your Telegram channel or your Telegram group, right, which is also optional. And then if you have this social handle, which is X, you can put it right here. One thing very important here is this last stuff here, which is let us know if a token is NSFW, which means not safe for work. We will ask for permission to display it, and in this case I will not choose that, and I will just continue with this. So I will click continue, and then you need to pay some tone so that this very token have to be active and rolling on the blockchain. And after the review, I will click on review right here, and then you can see it right at this very point. If you look at this overview right here, which is the last stage before this token is going to be launched, we have MTP, which is mtron. And then if you look at this as well, you see the market capitalization, which is 2.3k dollars, and the price right now is 0.402935, and then the max supply is 1 billion, that is 1 billion of the token, and then the available, that is the token available and that can be in circulation, is 800 million. The next thing is, if you want to read this, you can simply click on this very question mark sign, and then it will bring up this statement up for you to read. A bounding curve shows how token price rise as demand increases. And I will close this. And then the next thing I'm going to do right now is to launch this very token. And I will click on this very launch button. And once I click on this launch button, it will take me to my Tonekeeper app. And once I slide this, then that means I'm going to allow this transaction to go. And I will do that for the purpose of example, so that if you want to launch your token, you can do that. So I'll wait for this to be confirmed. So I'm waiting for transaction confirmation. Once transaction confirmation is done, you see it here, the transaction is going through right now. And you see this launching. The token launch will continue in the background. It's safe to close the page. You will get notified when it's ready. So I'll continue. So when the token is ready, they will notify me that this token is ready, and then from there I will proceed. So this is the best way to create your own meme token as fast as possible. Look at it right here, the token I just created, MTP, that is mtron, and see my picture right here, and then you see MTP is live. Now is the right time to tell the whole world about it. Go to the home page. So if you go to the token page, and then you can begin to share this right now. So if I go to the token page right here, and it will take me to this very page. So on this page, you see the chart is started showing right now, which will come up later. And then you see holder 0. You see transaction just 1, which is the one I did when I was performing or creating this very token. And then you see market cap 0. So what you need to do is to add liquidity, okay, and let there be sell and buy transaction on this very token right now. But this is what I'm going to do in the next video. So if I go back, something I want to show you that is very important as well. If you come right here to the Memepad homepage and you come to this very new section, you discover that tokens are getting listing right here almost every seconds. And if you come to hot, you see the token that are hot right now as well, which is showing and displaying with their market capitalization showing right at this very point. And you click on blooming, you see other tokens as well that have been listed already, which is moving very, very well with market capitalization as well. And this is very important to all of us that want to launch a token. If you look at this is 26.3k thousand market capitalization. And look at Pulse right here. I think somebody launched this very token. Pulse is an airdrop which is still ongoing. But if you look at the market cap, $22.7 thousand, and the list go on like that. And if you look at listed, these are tokens that have been listed on this platform that have liquidity. But if you go back to the new right at this very point, you discover my token is already here, which is the one I just launched, which is this very one, MTP. And if you look at it, zero market capitalization. And the reason is because I have not added liquidity yet, and I'm going to do that in the next video. But one thing you must have to know is that before you create any meme token, please ensure you get a good community, get fund for promotion, and get other things in check, what I'm going to talk about in my next video. So pay attention to that very video. It's going to come up. This is how you can create your own meme token using the memepad. I love the memepad so much because it's making things super easy for every one of us. My next video will be on how to add liquidity so that your token can be tradable and you can initiate, or any person can initiate, buy and sell orders. And this is very, very important right now, guys. Please consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe right now, and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this one. Also check the channel for more crypto videos. I have a recommended video for you. Check right at this very point. And if you want to participate in the new airdrop, check right here and watch this video right now. Thanks for watching.